color. Color serves as a conceptual reinforcement for shape math. The numbers 5 and lower go in a gradient. The cooler the number is, the lower it is. The higher the number is, the warmer it is in color. It goes blue for 1, green for 2, yellow for 3, orange for 4, and red for 5. The numbers above 5 are made up of the numbers and the colors below 5. This means the reason that 8 is orange is because it's made up of two 4s. This is one of the ways that the simpler aspects of shape math reinforces the more complex ones. The idea of the colors reinforce the idea of division. However, some numbers do not have two of the same number that can make them up. This is why 7 and 9 are made up of two different colors. They're made up of a 5 and an additional amount. 7 is made up of a 5 and a 2, and 9 is made up of a 5 and a 4. You could, of course, make 7 and 9 out of two different numbers than these and get the same outside shape, which brings us to our next set of principles, the shape math outlines. It is the outline of a shape that determines what the answer to a problem is. You can make the same shape many different ways. You can make a 7 out of a 3 and a 4, or you can make a 7 out of a 5 and a 2. This section of the web application is called the Outlines tab. It shows all the shape math outlines for numbers 0 through 10, so you can practice different ways of making them. You may have noticed that there are two different forms of two numbers, 3 and 4, which brings us to our next principles,